All right, this will be van stories number 8. Today's goal is to, well, I've already cleaned up a little bit, clean those windshields, but that's not fun or sexy to talk about. What is fun and sexy is we're gonna paint the rims today. We're gonna paint the wheels today. Pull the hubcap off. Julie's helping me, and to also install the no.8 foot pedal I've had, gas pedal I've had forever. If it fits, there's I'm having a little bit of trouble figuring out how it exactly goes on, but yeah, that's about it. And then also I got this, I didn't talk about this. This is a step because I have little short legs, and so this helps me, you know, step up, you know, up there right there. I don't want to show you my psoriasis, but anyway, so yeah. And then I'm going to put a few, I think I'm going to put a sticker right here. I have this no.8 sticker I'm going to put right there. So I'm going to clean the windshields first. Julie is walking Cyrus. Cyrus is Julie's #1 fan. So we're taking Cyrus for a walk, and then we'll pull those off, I guess, start masking and get that done. It'll be a huge difference. That's what I just wanted to share. That I was thinking about combining it in its own video, but I mean, with next time I do the van. Okay, anyway, I'm just rambling. All right, I'm gonna get started. All right, Julie's on the other side, painting with the no.8 pedal is installed, and we masked off the wheels so you can see. And what is the correct, would I say rim or wheel? I mean, what's the correct term here? Doesn't really matter.
It doesn't really matter. Rim.
Yeah. Julie's, we're painting it. So, yeah, we'll see what it looks like. And to my surprise, Julie painted the bumper too. This thing's looking mean. Just been informed that the wheels are done, the rims are done, but we're gonna wait a little bit before we pull the tape off. All right, I don't know if I did an ending video. I know I didn't, because I just now put the hubcaps on, the dog bowls, right? Dog bowl hubcaps, yeah. All right, yeah, everything's done for the day. That's the project for the day. The no.8 things on there. Someone commented, well, his name's Tommy Starr, said something that just really sets it off. Hey, replacing these are definitely going to get replaced at some point, but there was a lot of other stuff's got to happen before then. All right, thank you for watching, and yeah, I'm very happy. Thank you, Julie.